Legs up field.
Yeah. Vicinity QNH 1022, squawk 0450.
10220450, flex air 27 Brooklyn. On the radar, Golf Tango Oscar with request.
Golf Tango Oscar, pass your message.
Golf Tango Oscar, request map penetration on your maps to the west over Basingstoke, Golf Tango Oscar.
Oscar, maps transit approved, remain outside the ATZ.
Outside ATZ, Golf Tango Oscar.
Flex Air 27, identify traffic service, reduce traffic information due to traffic density and radar performance at times. Possible late warning of traffic, unknown traffic, left 10 o'clock, correction, 10:30, range of 1 mile, faded from radar, believed to be a glider. Traffic information now on transponding aircraft only.
Traffic service reduced and transponding only, copy that, traffic looking, Flex Air 27.
Viet Sierra, contact Denham, description free call Denham, full com security and 130.730, bye bye.
Free call Denham on 130.730, Golf Bravo Oscar Juliet Sierra.
For Whiskey Yankee, identified traffic service, reduce traffic information.
That's nice of her. Sure. Pass me over quickly.
Yeah, then, they tell you off, don't they, when they're, or they'll soon tell you when they're...
Oh, they're quite busy, aren't they? So
yeah.
They want to jump in there before...
They're cutting off the fat, basically, which is us.
Yeah. Some water.
Golf Whiskey Bravo Victor downwind.
Must be slow over there, right, Bridge?
Might be, yeah.
Pretty slow, eh?
Oh, I can see Oaken Church on my nose. At 1900 feet. Not Oaken Church, sorry, Amersham. We're expecting 06.
Oh, yeah.
Denham Radio Golf Bravo Mike Tango
Do some work now.
Tango Juliet ready for departure.
Bravo Mike Tango Juliet, there's one on the base leg, will be
Wipe my
turning
legs
on
up.
shortly.
We'll hold Golf Tango Juliet.
RV temperature pressure. That looks like Amersham. Those chimneys.
Yeah.
Golf Romeo Victor final 06.
Victor 35010.
350.
506 knots.
Yeah, quite a lot.
Yeah. Crosswind
Denham
land.
Radio Golf Sierra Hotel Bravo Alpha. Back with you just west of Amersham before we join.
It's Denham over there.
Hotel Bravo Alpha, runway 06, left-hand circuit, QNH 1023, your readability 5.
Service Salhan, QNH 1023, and we'll report St Giles, Golf Bravo.
Bravo Mike Tango Juliet, there's traffic going round in terms of that 35010 knot.
Lining up Golf Bravo, Mike Tango Juliet.
Or he's there.
Golf Romeo Victor going around.
Denham Radio, good afternoon. Golf Bravo Oscar Juliet Sierra, Amersham for rejoin.
Good Bravo Oscar Juliet Sierra, runway 06, left-hand circuit, QNH 1023, report St Giles.
Runway 06 left hand, QNH 1023, and your report St Giles, Golf Bravo, Oscar Juliet Sierra.
Okay, so we go through spot sending.
That guy's out here now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have it. See it there?
Hands radio, Saxon 22, just north of Norfolk, request information for join. Saxon 22, Roger, runway 06, left hand circuit, QNH 1023, report.
Is that actually coming into land as well?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a higher wing.
Okay.
One of the Denham. I think is it I don't know actually what was that?
I'll give it some room. Right, is Amersham?
Yeah.
No one else around apart from that aircraft.
No, all good.
Spot turning.
Let's go. Bravo Alpha, active St Giles.
Got loads of room, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bravo Alpha, Roger, there is one in the circuit, just turned downwind.
Let's go over looking at. Golf Whiskey, Romeo Victor downwind. Golf Bravo, visual with the traffic downwind, we'll go around the circuit height.
Above.
That'll free us. Hopefully.
Yeah. Oh,
Let's speed up then.
Yeah. it will free us up or make us lifted.
Yeah. Right, there's the dials. 1,000 feet. Feet.
That guy, that guy there, he's turning up to downwind. Yeah, he's on the base deck now, isn't he? Yeah. Downwind.
Golf Juliet Sierra is at St Giles.
They heard us, but
yeah. 722 is also St Giles on behind Juliet Sierra.
722, Roger, there is circuit traffic on the base leg.
Yeah, we've seen him, haven't we?
722.
And Golf Juliet Sierra is coming up to downwind. We're past St Giles.
Go Juliet Sierra, Roger, there's one turning final to land and one going round at circuit height ahead of you.
Okay, I have visual with one ahead, Golf Juliet Sierra.
right, so we've got brakes, undercarriage, mixture, fuel, temperature, pressure.
Golf Bravo, Mike, Tango Juliet,
harmony, matches.
Victor 320, 10 knot.
Right, standard RPM, we're in the white arc, 20 flat. 5.
Still Bravo Alpha with the traffic that's landing in sight, I'd say the only cross.
Bravo Alpha, Roger.
Golf Romeo Victor going around.
Golf Romeo Victor, Roger.
Juliet Sierra, turning 06, final to land.
Juliet Sierra, roger, 320 final.
Golf Juliet Sierra. RB goes in.
Golf Bravo, turning lake downwind, 06 land.
Bravo Alpha, roger, there's also a rotary ahead of you on the baseway.
Bravo, looking at. 22, final photograph, visual
722, roger, 320 final.
Landing, my man.
Quite tricky.
Yeah.
450, moving downwind.
Touching out runway. Golf Juliet Sierra, vacating and complete.
Juliet Sierra, roger, thank you.
Doing the same as me in the end.
Yeah.
Time, 40 minutes.
Yeah. Right, so after landing, flaps are up. Sorry, after landing, RB hold, flaps will up, the heat off, goose, throws come off, like funded by Denham.
Golf Bravo, turning finals, 06 to land.
Speed was going all over the place.
A bit pitchy.
I think, was the wind changing or something? I think it was
Might have been low level. Yeah, it might have been. But if it's a northerly as well,
Yeah,
it's just pushing you along, isn't it?
yeah. That's what I felt.
Yeah, I think it's just pushing you. You're not speeding up or slowing down. You're like in
Yeah.
the limbo.
Because the 06 came really quickly and all of a sudden I was like, oh, a bit high. So I kind of reduced it for a minute, but then I like adding a little bit of power
No, exactly.
just to have a bit of control. And it didn't want to come down. Even though I was like at 6 knots. Or a little bit less.
Yeah, sometimes it's hard to hold that speed, isn't it? If
Yeah.
the wind isn't on.
Yeah. And I was playing around with my feet as well, trying to...
Yeah.
That's why... I was trying to touch it down really smoothly.
Yeah, you clear this side.
Yeah, alright, cheers. Thank you.
450, Golf Bravo, Victor final.
Fleming Victor 35010.
Golf Bravo, vacated and complete, thank you.
Prefer flying the 172 or the 182?
I love landing the 182.
You do?
It's so much easier.
Is it?
Because it's got 40 stages, 40 flaps.
Oh yeah.
So it's
40
just,
degree flat.
it's just so nice just to break the speed, you know. See what I mean? People are going around.
Yeah,
It's quite
yeah.
challenging.
Yeah, yeah.
I think I did alright.